Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add a PDF to Apple Wallet. Now, take note, Apple Wallet itself doesn't give you a direct option to add PDF files. But don't worry, this method is simple and works great. So, let's get started. Go to the App Store and search for an app called Pass4 Wallet. Download and install it. Open the app. On the home screen, swipe through the top section until you find the ticket section. In the ticket section, tap on Scan PDF document. Choose the PDF file you want to add from your phone. The app will process it automatically. Once it's ready, tap the Add to Wallet button at the bottom. And that's it. That's how to add a PDF to Apple Wallet. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.